guys, this is Fatima Raja Kasuri and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. Well, I'm going to show you how to create two looks. Eid ke liye do looks. I use this powder, the mineralized MAC face powder, but recently I've discovered another face powder just for the under eye area. That's the L'Oreal True Match. So this powder is really good for the under eye area. So I've already used some, so I'm just going to show you. So this powder right here, it's very good for setting the concealer and highlighting the under eye area. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this MAC mineralized face powder. So the powder is all done now, and I'm gonna let it bake. I'm gonna start the eye makeup with this eyeshadow. It's a nude eyeshadow by Urban Decay. And this is called the transition color, so this is a nice color to build on. So I use a pencil, a brown pencil, to fill any gaps in the eyebrows. And then I'm going to use this eyebrow brush to brush off any powder, any makeup stuck in the eyebrows. And then I'm going to use this brush, this angular eyebrow brush, with this brow kit from Benefit. I'm going to use this brown powder, this brown color. It's a really nice neutral brown color. So you can mix it with this cream thingy, or you can use it on its own. But since I used the eye pencil before, so I'm using the eye pencil instead of this creamy thing here. So I'm just going to use the powder on top of where I applied the eye pencil. Powder is that you don't take a lot of product. So the same product that you put on the side of your nose, you have to blend that without using more product. So some people use the highlighter after blush on. You can use it both ways. I like to apply it before using the blush on, and then just a little bit as a finishing touch at the end of the makeup. So I'm going to use the same highlighter over my nose. Yeah. I'm going to mix these two shades for the blush on. These are both by MAC. First I'm going to use the peach color. Next, this is a lifesaver, this brush. This is called the Stipple brush, and I've shown you this brush in my other makeup tutorials too. So basically what this brush does is it blends out any extra powder, makeup that you put on your face. So just kind of take this brush, any harsh lines. So I'm just going to go over my face with a brush, kind of just to blend out any harsh lines, any extra makeup. So next I'm going to make the crease line just to give your eyes a little bit of depth. So for that I'm going to mix this shade here and this shade here. It's called henna and sandalwood, and I'm going to mix it with just a little bit of cocoa. Then I'm going to use this shade here. It's a very nice peachy pink, perfect for daytime makeup look. So I'm just going to take some of this. The basic makeup. I'm going to show you how to style one outfit in 2 ways for this Eid. We're going to start with the western look. So because मेरे बाल already straight हुए हैं, so अब मैं एक बड़े साइज का कर्लर, कोई भी किसी भी बड़े साइज का कर्लर लेकर अपने बालों को अब मैं सिर्फ एंड से, यहाँ से नीचे एंड से कर्ल करूँगी. Or I might ask somebody to help me curl. My hair is done, and now I'm going to change my lip color. So I'm going to use a brighter lip color. This is Video Star from Huda Beauty. So I'm just going to put this over this. So guys, a funny thing happened. I ran out of my lipstick. Yeah, it finished. I've used it a lot. So what I did was, because I didn't have enough lipstick, this one, so I used, instead of that, I used Full Fuchsia by Medora. Now I have this bright lipstick on, this bright, nice fuchsia lipstick on. इसके साथ अब eyes में थोड़ा सा sparkle लाने के लिए थोड़ा सा it goes really well with the bright lipstick is if you use a highlighter. सेम हाइलाइटर जो मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था, जो मैंने इधर यूज़ किया था इस साइड पर. यही हाइलाइटर थोड़ा सा लेके किसी भी ब्रश के साथ, गोल ब्रश, ये इस कॉर्नर पे. Now that I've worn the outfit and my hair is done and my makeup is done, so it's time for the accessories. Bag, I've chosen this one. I've chosen these aqua turquoise earrings. They're very nice and funky and big and chunky. That rhymes. So I'm gonna wear these. Start the Desi look. अब इस लुक के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा अपना मेकअप थोड़ा सा चेंज करूँगी. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. मैंने अपनी लिपस्टिक उतार दी है, जो पिंक डार्क पिंक लिपस्टिक थी. अब इसके लिए आई मेकअप को थोड़ा सा चेंज करने के लिए अब मैं थोड़ा सा काजल लगाऊंगी, आंखों में काजल लगाऊंगी. उसके अलावा I'm gonna use this eyeliner. It's by Makeup Forever. बहुत अच्छा eyeliner है ये. It's very very dark. So I'm gonna use an eyeliner. उसके अलावा I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow. ये वही पैलेट है जो मैंने आपको पहले दिखाई थी, नेकेड. और इसके अंदर ये black eyeshadow, or you can use any other black eyeshadow, that's fine. So kajal, eyeliner and black eyeshadow. Done. Kasuri chutiya French braid. I love it. मुझे actually देसी typical देसी looks बहुत ही पसंद है. Very ethnic. I love it. तो इस देसी look के साथ मैं ये चूड़ियाँ पहनूंगी और ये earrings पहनूंगी चांद वाले. End of the video. Did you like the video? If you enjoyed the video, do like and comment below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do so. And also, don't forget to click the bell icon so every time I post a video, you get notified. So till next time, love you all.